Hello, my name is Irfan Bachdim, and the last game we're gonna play is finish the sentence. The first one, aku merasa jelek kalau sedang. I feel bad if I. If I just wake up. Yeah, it's the morning, you know, it's like bad hair, your breath sometimes. Aku paling benci dengan hari. I don't hate any day. This one I don't have because for me, I live in Bali. Every day is holiday. Aku paling ilfeel dengan orang yang the kind of people I don't really like is the people who talk only about themselves and never ask about others. Next one, aku paling takut dengan hewan. It's an animal, eh? Snakes. I hate snakes. Pernah di Bali, tapi I always keep my distance. I just don't like snakes. Makanan terenak di Indonesia adalah too many. Makanan terenak. I will go with so many. Risoles. The best one I have ate was in Malang, with some chicken, veggies, egg. Sorry? Oh, dari Belanda. My dad made it himself. Yes. My dad is the one who cooked. My mom not so good. The biggest lie I ever told my parents was that I don't have any tattoos. I always hid it. It was not allowed, but I still did it. Nah, they know now. They know. They found out. I went to a festival with my brother, and I was standing next to my brother with short sleeve, and I lived in Indonesia already. I moved already. And then they called my brother and they say, Fardi, does Irfan have any tattoos? And my brother said, no. And then my mom said, well, I see him standing on a picture next to you. And then my brother was like, I think you need to call Irfan. My favorite emoji, the love heart. Most used, texting with Kiyomi nowadays because she's getting big, and with my wife. Orang tuaku ingin aku menjadi saat dewasa. It's happy. My parents never forced me to become anything. They always told me to be happy and to do what I love. So this I hope I can give to my kids also. Pertandingan bola yang pertama kali saya tonton langsung. Nonton, no?
Yeah. Cycle.
Oh, yeah. Pertandingan bola yang pertama kali saya nonton langsung. It was an Ajax game, but I can't remember against who, but it was for sure Ajax game. No, my dad. Dalam relationship, wanita harus the relationship with a girl. Or must. Not only for the girl, but also for the man, they have to be faithful. This was the last game. Finish the sentence, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, my wife can cook very good. I love her pasta, but also her breakfast. Her oats, her chia pudding, also some sweet things she makes is really nice. But I think my favorite dish is the baba ganoush. It's a spread from eggplant, or you can use it on bread or as a side dish. It's what I really love.